Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can set up and use Roamless eSIM. In order to do so, here we are at roamless.com. And the first thing that is important to note is that Roamless is an app that is available on iOS or Android. We're here on the website, but we're going to just look at the site here to get an idea of how you can set up Roamless eSIM. So the first thing you're going to want to do is whatever your device is of your preference, then you're going to want to go and you're going to want to download that. And then from here, let's just take a look at some of the details. So pay as you go, no traditional data plans, up to 90% cheaper than roaming. So something that if you are traveling a lot and you don't want to be paying those roaming charges, then this is where you might want to get Roamless eSIM. And we can see here no commitments, no hidden fees, no expirations, no waste, a single global eSIM that is available and in 186 different destinations and growing. So no no SIM swaps needed ever. You could see here some of the destinations that Roamless eSIM is available in. It is travel. Well, let's just keep on going there. So as seen on these different platforms here, go places, do things, enjoy life. Roamless keeps you connected wherever you are. Introducing pay-as-you-go flexibility. Roamless does not have data plans or daily charges. You simply add money to your account and you consume it for mobile data. You only pay what you use and you pay for what you use and only for what you use. The money in your account never expires either. So that's good to know. Forget traditional roaming. Forget multiple eSIMs. Roamless is up to 90% cheaper than traditional roaming, much more convenient than swapping travel SIM cards, keeps you connected seamlessly. So let's just go down here a little bit further so that we can see how it is that you can set it up. So the first thing you're going to want to do again is you're going to want to download the Roamless app and create your account. Activate and set up your eSIM in a few clicks, one-time activation, and add funds to your account and get connected. And that's all there is to it. Once you have it set up and you've added funds to your account, then once you are in those roaming areas, then you can take advantage of Roamless and save money. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.